Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Uvusi. Uvusi is in bed. Ubhizi utofana nefoni yakhe. I'm busy like Vusi. Wena ubhizi nefoni while bakudlela into zakho le ngaphandle. Anyway, ugcina walks in. Then Uvusi's like, how? Uphumaphi? Ugcina's like, bengisathatha walk kancane. I needed to clear on the one from all the family drama. That time inwele zakhona ziyabonakala ukuthi hayi girl, la usuka khona ayi. Anyway, so Uvusi's like, yeah, yazi nami ngihleli lana ngizama ukuthola ukwenzo. Like angazi ngempela how to deal with all of this. Ngiyafisa ukwazi ingqondo yakhe ukuthi kuphi njengoba ethole ukuthi ubaba omdala is his biological father. Then Ugcina picks up her phone and then she sees ukuthi kune message. The message is from Uphakamani. The message is, I always knew you were a bad girl, but I didn't think you were this bad. Can't wait to see you again. Hey, bo. Ugcina then says, abang uyothatha shower. Uvusi looks at her, is like, uyogeza wesibili. Ugcina says, yeah, it's that time of the month. Then Uvusi's like, oh, okay. Ikhona mhlambe into engakutholela yona, ngiyazi phela ukuthi when it's that time of the month inhlungu gets a bit hectic. Ugcina then says, hayi ngiright, nginayo i-medication enough. Then Uvusi then says, okay, baby. And then Ugcina gets up. But when she's getting up, she's still on the phone. Uvusi's like, ubani loyo? Because he can see ukuthi girl is distracted, man. Then Ugcina then says, intombazane yasejimini, intombazane engijima nayo. Then Uvusi's like, oh, okay. But you can see as she's walking away, Uvusi's looking at her like, this is suspicious. I mean, girl, you bathed, you go out, you come back, your hair is a bit, and you distant. Next thing, you want to bath again and you've been on your phone? Shame. Next scene, girl, we see Uzama. She is putting on her earrings and Usibongile is sitting near the study table. So Uzama's like, hey, wazi right onozela ke leso schedule mnganami ingathi khona iphepha that you have to pass. Yabona mina into engizama uyenza ngizama ukulungisa impilo yami. I'm going to see ukwenzo namhlanje ntambama. So into engiyaziyo is that this semester I won't get the best of me. Uzama then says, yes, girl. Usibongile then says, yabona le semester izozwa ngami. Uzama zake ngiyayithanda le energy yakho. Oh, you must take one for the team ngoba mina nje no matter how many planners I buy kuyafana nje I never get it right. Then Usibongile is like, how am I, Zama? I have 5 minutes left before I go to class. So she organelas izinto zakhe. Uzama like, oh, okay. Then Usibongile is like, wena into mele uyenze nje is that mele uplan izinto zakho kahle. Let me leave you. And then Usibongile leaves. Uzama like, bye. And the scene ends like that. Next scene, sibona uBabsi benoSamke. USamke is like, zambani. She's peeling koba veggie, guys. She's peeling some potatoes and vegetables there, and uMangoba is sitting on the table as well. So Samke looks at uBabsi and she's like, yazi Babsi, you've been sad for inzukana manje. And then uBabsi's like, ay akulutho ma, ngiyazicabangela nje kuphela. USamke's like, why ungathathi walk noMangoba? Like, angajabula ukuthi ahambe no-auntie. Angithi Mangoba? Yes, yabona uyavuma. I mean, kunelanga ngaphandle, unomoya ofresh. Mthathe, uzokusiza. And then uBabsi's like, yaziqinisile ma. Okay, asambeni Mangoba. She takes uMangoba, she takes his toys, and then uBabsi leaves the house with uMangoba. But you can see ukuthi uSamke une-worry. Yay, uvelephi got uSamke worried, you guys. Anyway, next scene there we see Uphakamani. He comes to Ukwenzo's office. Ukwenzo is at work. So Uphakamani enters and is like, hey, mfowethu. Then Ukwenzo's like, yeah, mfowethu, yeah, Uphakamani. Uphakamani then says, mfowethu ngiyabonga. Ngalesi sikhathi ongiphe sona, ngiyazi ukuthi umatasa. And then Ukwenzo then says, yeah, the last time Pena we spoke, we were at the back of a van. Uphakamani ahleke. And then he's like, ngiyaxolisa ngalokho mfowethu. And then Ukwenzo then says, hayi khululeka. Then Uphakamani says, yazi mfowethu, bengifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngobaba kanye nezifiso zakhe. And then Ukwenzo then says, oh, okay. As he's speaking like that, Uvusi walks in. Uvusi's like, how? Bahlangene abazala. Anisasimemi madoda. I don't know if Uvusi was being spicy or he forgot, because I mean by now he knows ukuthi Ukwenzo and uPhakamani are not cousins, they are brothers. So for him to say ukuthi hayibo the cousins are meeting up and anisimemanga thina, I don't know what he meant by that. But anyway, Ukwenzo then says, Vusi, how about si catch up later? Then Vusi's like, oh, okay. Hayi ke kulungile. And then he just walks out like that. Ukwenzo then looks at uPhakamani, is like, lalela Phakamani, ngiyazi ukuthi ungani ulana. Uzongihlohla ukuthi ngivume ngenze imbeleko, that's already been done. uPhakamani then says, yebo yenziwe mfethu. Kodwa ke ayenziwanga ngendlela efanele. Kwenzo, ukuze abantu abazalwa ndawonye bahlangane ngokuphelele, isikhumba sembuzi mfowethu, isikhumba sembuzi esibahlanganisayo, isiphandla. Yisona esikhombisa that you've been fully introduced to the ancestors. Yisona esihlanganisa thina nabo Subalukhulu noDlamini mfowethu. Ayikho enye indlela. Ukwenzo then says ukuthi awungitshele Phakamani. Angithi sobabili siyazi ukuthi obaba bayalamana, right? Doesn't that mean ukuthi mina nawe sinedlozi elilodwa? uPhakamani then says, yebo, kodwa manje angithi iqiniso seliphumile mfowethu. Uyihlo akuyena unjengaye. Wena vumela uyihlo akwenzele imbeleko and let him afake isiphandla kuphela mfowethu. And then the scene ends like that, but you can see ukuthi Ukwenzo is a bit irritated, but it seems like he is considering this thing. Next scene, we see Uvelephi. She walks into the house. Usamke is still busy peeling potatoes. Uvelephi comes in and she's like, yeah, when? Yazi kunemfihlo that is weighing heavily on my shoulders sonke lesisikhathi. Ingiga lento, ingisinda. Kodwa I see manje ukuthi sengi-ready to let it on out and let the truth come out. Wonke umuntu mele lazi iqiniso. Usamke just looks at Uvelephi and then she's like, Umanqoba. Uvuma walks in, he's like, hi bo. Uvelephi's like, Umanqoba. Uvuma's like, uphi ngempela umzukulu. Uvelephi's like, Umanqoba. Imani. Uvuma then says, ukuphi. Usamke's like, iphi ngane Uvelephi. Uvelephi's like, how? Usipho bokufanele ukuthi amlande namhlanje ekreshi angithi. Usipho was supposed to fetch him from a crash, and then she just runs out because she realizes ukuthi ingane is not back home and she's back from work. Uvuma then says, Velephi, and Uvelephi sekaphuma ngesango, guys. Usamke then says, yabona-ke into bengikhuluma ngayo baba. Uvelephi umkhondo wakhe nje all over. Kumanje nje akazi ukuthi ingane ikuphi. High shame angisazi. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, a few moments later, we see Uvelephi. She's back in the house. Usipho's there. Uvelephi's pacing the kitchen. She's panicking. She's like, kodwa benginesiqiniseko. Yazi benginesure ukuthi umlandile ekreshi Sipho. Usipho's like, kanjani? Ngoba mina bengithe ukuthi mina bengizitshela ukuthi ulanda when. Uvelephi then says, oh, manje ublame mina. Ublame mina Sipho. Usipho's like, ngiyabuza. Uvelephi then says, bokufanele ukuthi ucheck-e nami Sipho. Ukhulume nami ungifonele. Ufuna yini ngempela ukuthi ungifonele bese uyangicheck-a ukuthi ingane ngiyilandile yebo noma cha. Usipho then says, Velephi, ngikutshelile. Uvelephi's like, yazini, vedani uthule. Thula nje. Ngoba lento is not about us, it's about ingane yethu. As she's speaking like that, the door flies open. Usamke walks in. Uphethe uManqoba. She's coming through the door with uBabsi and Uvuma. Guys, Usamke is so spicy because remember, she's making it seem as if the child is missing, but she's the one who told uBabsi to take a walk with Ingane. I guess she's using Ingane to get to Uvelephi because there's nothing else that she can have on Uvelephi. So Samke comes in, she's like, shoo, you're high shame. Okay, mtanam, she's busy petting uManqoba emqolo. She's like, okay, mtanam. So Uvelephi runs. She wants to take uManqoba. Then Usamke's like, cha, no, don't take ingane. Yazi le ngane ngiyitholephi. emgaqweni. Ingane ihamba ikhala. Buka ingane injani. Buka ukuthi ingcwele kanjani. Hayi suka, awunamahloni wena. And then she just walks to the room with uMaNceba. UVelaphi is like, manje yami ingane. Ibihamba emgaqweni yodwa. Ikhala. She's hurt by this whole thing. Uvuma then says the level of negligence is not right. Nina nobabili as abazali ningiphoxile bantwana bam. And then he just walks off. Upapsi's left there uthule. That's Upapsi. Sometimes guys unobuslonyana. Why is she not? But anyway, uzincengele kumawakhe. There's no way Upapsi is going to speak the truth and say ukuthi hayibo ingane was not bengadukanga ingane. I'm the one who took the child for a walk and ngitshenwe uma. She's just standing there. Anyway, last scene girl, we see Unjengaye, guys. He is drinking his sorrows away. Uyambona ukuthi uphethwe his stress, shame Unjengaye. So as he's drinking his whiskey there, uKwenzo walks in noSibongile. But you can see Unjengaye is looking at them like to say ukuthi, what do you guys have to say? Uwenza ngene-ke bahlale phansi and he's like, baba, unento ebalulekile okumele ukuthi sixoxe mina nawe. Bemfuna ukuthi sikhulume ngembeleko. Yeah, the look that Unjengaye gave uKwenzo. He goes on to say, ubaba, ngiyaxolisa, I mean uKaphelani. Yeah, guys. And then Unjengaye looks at uKwenzo. He stands up, he looks at uSibongile and uKwenzo, and then he just walks off and uKwenzo's like, ngiyaxolisa baba. And then the scene just ends like that. Yeah, guys. Yeah, it's about to go down because it looks like uKwenzo is considering doing imbeleko, and it seems like Unjengaye is going to take it as betrayal for the fact that uKwenzo wants to do imbeleko, whereas Unjengaye did imbeleko for him. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next